Hello, welcome everyone to come at our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and each week we have videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you like our videos and our product, remember to focus on our channels. Today I want to share with you some of our product. This is our control valve. Yes. Okay, let's check the details for our product. First, you can look at here our packages. We package with the VCI anti-rust bags, and for our packaging bags is mentally friendly. Yep. Okay, in this part you can see we have the label on our package bags. The first line is our brand's logos, Shumatt, and this line is the model numbers F00RJ00218 common rail valve. And on this part is the application inject numbers 0445120003 and 0445120004. On this part, you can see this is the QR code, and we have other informations on our label. Actually, maybe some customers, if you have your own logo, if you want to print your own logo on this part, or if you want to design your labels, the packaging bags, yes, you can contact us, because we Shumatt, we supply the customized services. Any needs, remember to contact us. We will try our best to meet the customer's demands. Okay, let's open it to see our control valve in the inside. In the inside part, as you can see, we packaged with the plastic bottles, right? And I will open it. In the inside, you can see the oil paper. We can be better protect the control valve. Yes, this is our product. This is a whole side of the control valve. Actually, you can see, we not only sell the whole side of the control valve, we also sell the separate parts. This is the valve cap, this is valve rod. Let's check the details for our valve cap. As you can see, the valve cap, there has some coating on this part, also with the numbers. Yep, this is the valve rods. For valve rods, if you have the other size, if you want to, if you have the demands like you like the other size of our control valve, yes, you can contact us. We can customize the size of our product. Actually, each items, before we seal it, we will test it many times, and we can make sure every product before we deliver it, has a really good qualities. And for our product, we have confidence to see that we can supply you the 6 months warranties. Okay. That's all the details about our control valve. Yes, as you can see, we have many models of our product, right? If you are not familiar with our models, you can contact us, and we can have you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About our product, we supply the 6 months warranties to our customers. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange the product for you. Each week, we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yes, remember to focus on our channel and follow us. Any product details, feel free to contact us. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps for the pumps, yes, and including today's product, the control valve assembly, right? Any items, if you are interested, please remember to follow at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all about today's introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.